Morning! So I wanted to show you guys today how to blend a shake. If you are new to Isagenix, or if you are a shaker and you want to know how to blend, you want to try something different. So in the Isagenix cup, this is the one that comes in the premium and value. This is the small size. I believe it's 16 ounces. You are going to put in, I have 7 ice cubes. 7. My magic number is usually around 6 or 7. I am going to fill up the water, and I use these little lines on there, just past the 8-ounce mark, so almost in between the 8-ounce and the max blend. For me, that is like the perfect consistency. You'll add 2 scoops of your favorite shake. You can always mix and match flavors as well. So like 1 scoop chocolate, 1 scoop birthday cake. So 2 scoops. And then this is for my husband, and he is like, just give me everything in one. So we're gonna add the Isagenix in here as well. I take the little blender base, and I like to shake it up just a little bit to get any of the powder that might be on the side, and then you just pop it on. Now let me show you a trick. If you have the Isagenix blender, there's little like pegs under there. You have to put it in there and then click it over, or it will not turn on. So, I only blend it until the ice is like chopped up. Do not over blend it, or it will literally be like more airy and whipped tasting. If you guys are new and you get the chocolate, the Dutch chocolate, know that it's a little bit thicker, so you'll need a little bit more water for the Dutch chocolate, and I'll show you what the consistency is like. Have is ginormous spoons, but so with 6 ice cubes or 7 ice cubes and that much water, it makes a pretty good consistency, like to where you're able to drink it with a straw, or if you wanted to, like, you could eat this with a spoon. If you want it to be thicker because you want to do like a smoothie bowl, add either less water or more ice, depending on like how much quantity wise you want. There's a video in the page also about if you search Frosty, or if you search smoothie bowl, or if you search DQ, there's a different video on like how to make it more of like that frosty consistency, how to make it more thick like a blizzard, or how to make it like a good smoothie bowl consistency. But that is how you blend a shake.